This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. Remove the nuts securing the air intake ducting to the front panel. Disconnect and remove the ducting. Release the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the airflow meter. Undo the 4 screws, then lift the filter cover. Remove the filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Locate the new filter element into the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the cover and securely tighten the screws. Reconnect the airflow meter wiring plug. Manoeuvre the air intake duct into position. Then secure to the front panel with the nut. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and ensure it's secure.